Heli Shed hat. Check. Heli Shed bag. Check. Heli Shed mug. Check. Until I pick up the Helifest mug because I was a legend and booked it and I'm going to get free tea and coffee all weekend. Woohoo! Heli Shed air freshener. Check. Yes, you too can be a legend. Come and say hello to me or Uncle Bob or anyone of the Heli Shed groupies. Yes, there are some. They'll be wearing Heli Shed hats. Come and say hello and get yourself a free, top quality air freshener. Limited edition. There's only 100 of them and they're waiting for you. These have been made by very well paid Asian people in a cellar somewhere in China. So you know what? Don't pass this up. You too could be a legend by having this in your car and reminding yourself of how much of an idiot I am and how useless this channel is to your 3D development flying, but semi-entertaining when it comes to anything else. Limited edition. You've even got a YouTube thing on the back there to remind you of Heli Shed. So you know what? Come and say hello. Pick yourself up a free air freshener. Special edition. Smells of baby sick. What more could you need? I mean, really. Helifest, 13th to the 15th of June. I'm there on Saturday and a Sunday. Come and say hello. It's going to be a great weekend. Now, where's my credit card?